How's it going, everyone? Welcome. I'm so excited to be starting this new project with you guys. If you've watched my previous videos, you've probably noticed that I don't have a workshop and I'm working on this little flimsy workbench. Well, I'm not even supposed to call it a workbench because it's pretty much just scrap put together. So in this video, I'm going to be preparing the land where I'll be building a house by myself. And this is just going to be an extension to my old house. It's a really small house, a little bit over 200 square feet. And this will roughly be the same, if not more. So I'm going to be using it as a temporary workshop as well as my office for editing and doing some small work here and there. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be posting a lot of videos on this project and I hope you subscribe so that you stay tuned and follow me through this journey. I really appreciate those of you who have already subscribed, and if you've not, please click the subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a like. It really helps the channel. If you're enjoying the video so far, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And also, please tell me where you're watching the video from. I'm so interested to knowing where you're watching this video from, and if you're loving this kind of content I'm doing, and if you want more of this, if you want less of my talking, or if you want more of it. I'm so excited. And a little word of encouragement to people who are wanting to start something like this for their own. Just get started. I know a lot of times you might feel like you can't do it or just don't have the courage to do it yet, whether it be your personal projects or starting a YouTube channel. I mean, I had a lot of imposter syndrome before starting posting, but ever since I started, I've been feeling more and more free and more comfortable with doing these videos and talking and, just editing the videos. Well, I'm an editor by trade, but doing my own stuff is really, you have that sense of impending doom, like, yeah, maybe this is not going to work, but you'll never know if you don't start. So get started, just start. And I hope my videos gives you the encouragement that you need to start your own stuff. So that's enough for now. See you at the end of the video. I know you've probably been wondering why I'm spending too much time on this pile of grass here. And there's a funny story. I'm actually trying to make compost. And so I really, really hope it doesn't get carried away by rains because it really does flood on this lower part of my land. I really hope it doesn't get carried away.